chapter 3 from Shaq, his friend Sharudin. Then we look up, and then we know his name is like Fadil from chapter 3. So we follow him from Facebook, and he accepted our request as friend. So we get to know, and then we look out for the pictures of the renovation, and then I see some testimonials, good testimonials about him. So I would like to know more about chapter 3, and we did go down and see him.
Actually, the reno process was quite smooth. Only thing that when we got our keys and everything, the Fadil's schedule and our schedule was very hectic and chaotic lah. But thank God lah, alhamdulillah, it still went on smoothly as planned. We actually wanted to move in before Hari Raya, but we decided not to rush things. I think it was a good move because everything was so chaotic. Then after that, we managed to fine tune some issues, some regards to the design, some changes, and Fadil was quite responsive lah with his WhatsApp and
always
updates.
keep us in the loop.
Always keep us in the loop. That's a good thing because everybody's busy nowadays. So it's good lah. It was a pleasant experience lah, smooth. Nothing much to complain about.
Okay, most favorite part of the house after the renovation, we like the most is the wall lah. Actually, it makes a lot of difference. It makes our house a bit more spacious.
And the design is
really
it's not so loud, it's very subtle, just nice to me. Then I also like the fact that the shoe cabinet got a lot of compartments, and I was very grateful for that. we didn't actually plan for the flip down bed, but I think it was a good move lah. Then Fadil was able to cater last minute, so we're grateful lah. It helped a lot. Then the flip down table also worked well lah. It was a good incorporation lah. And of course we all like our master, the geometric painting. Very nice.
And our dining table, and I think it's very useful lah. Whenever and practical.
Whenever
we need a bigger table, then we just can flip it up.
Okay, for future customers of chapter 3, I will advise that you have a slight idea of what you want, and from there, maybe Fadil will work his magic, maybe guide you through what is practical, what is not, for your ideas for your home. And just have a rough idea, and don't worry, he will guide you lah if you're not sure.
And he tried to work within your budget as well lah.
That's the important thing. Good stuff.
He didn't give us empty promises. He will try his best to do the things
practical, reasonable budget, whether worth it to do or not. That's the plus point for chapter 3 in our opinion.
Awesome.